GameStop absolutely killed it today. We reversed after those earning calls. We had seen a slide in the stock, but we are starting to absolutely meme. We are starting to moon. We are starting to rocket. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing some technical analysis talking about GameStop, where I think GameStop is headed in the near future. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market, make sure you guys stay tuned into the end of the video. What's up guys, my name is Myles. This is my second YouTube channel. My other YouTube channel, I primarily focus on cryptocurrencies, but I recently made a new channel because I have a passion for the stock market with my expertise in technical analysis, and this is something I want to share with you. So I made this channel. So if you guys love to make money in the stock market, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in my videos, I call out time-sensitive plays before they happen, very profitable plays. So if you want to make a lot of profit, go ahead and subscribe. And do me a favor, smash that like button if you want to see GameStop go to the moon, because I know I do. I'm going to be killing it this week with options, especially tomorrow. But if you guys want to join my Discord, I have over 600 members. We talk about stocks and cryptos. We have a lot of people putting out trades, especially me. I do my own trade alerts. You can see my portfolios. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can join the Discord through the Patreon. So go ahead and check out the Patreon link below. So today we seen GameStop up 52%. That was incredible. I watched it live. I traded GameStop. I bought the dip. I bought some options and made some killer plays. But let's go ahead and take a look at some technical analysis and see what is absolutely going on with GameStop. All right, so GameStop, other than the $500 pump, we pumped again and we came all the way up to this level, about 350. And we have since then, after we broke 350 or touched 350, we came all the way down to this bottom, $1.13, $100.13. That is incredible. Congratulations to those of you who bought the dip, because this thing is absolutely going to moon. I'm looking at a 1 hour time frame. I'm going to go ahead and zoom us in. And what we are seeing is a massive reversal. We basically came down and double bottom. And if we did a higher time frame, like a 4 hour, we would see just a V-shaped recovery here. But we are coming to test levels of resistance, and this is very important. We're going to see multiple levels of resistance historically. And we are about to approach it at $1.93, $193, guys. That is incredible. I think we're going to come and test this level of resistance, and then we have some further levels of resistance. But guys, I think tomorrow, Friday, is going to be a big day, because the whole stock market has been down the last couple of days, especially the NASDAQ, especially some tech stocks. Things have been really hammered and beaten down, unfortunately, and I have been left holding the bag. But I think there is still room for GameStop to absolutely moon and rocket. But guys, this is something you guys need to take note of. If we can break this level of resistance, approximately around $194, if we can break this level of resistance, that would signal for me a potential buying opportunity. It would also signal for me a warning sign, a good warning sign, that we could potentially break out to further levels of support or resistance. We are going to see other levels of resistance approximately right here, around $220 in this range, and we can see others in between that, around $216. So we have another couple levels of resistance that we're going to come and test. And if we can surpass this first level of resistance, $194, if we can come up and break out past this, I believe that we are going to come up and test other levels of support. But if we can break out past this, that would signal for a buying opportunity to open up some calls, to maybe buy some shares, and then get ready to take profits at certain levels, which right before this level of resistance, I would be looking to take profits. And I would be getting to try to scale out, because it's possible that we come up here, we'll come test this level of resistance, and we come down a little bit, maybe bounce off this level of support, which was our previous level of resistance, and come up again to test the level of resistance. Based on what happens here, if we get a double top, that would be a very bearish signal, which most likely means that we are rejected at this level and we come trading down. But it's very possible, If we can break past this first level of resistance, we can probably easily clear these 2 other levels of resistance, which basically there would be the moon to clear at that point. So I think this is going to be very possible with the bullish sentiment in the market, a lot of money getting put into the market with stimulus and everything. After the market selling off, there's going to be a couple of days of green. Projectively, I think that is very possible that we're going to see a couple days of green in the stock market. Specifically for GameStop, you must take a look. Whenever the stock market is kind of crashing or falling off, those type of sentiments that are around a lot of FUD in the market, you will see GameStop, AMC, other similar stocks begin to pump similarly. So take note, whenever you see these stocks start really falling, especially the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, take a look at GameStop. You will see it pump. A lot of people jump into GameStop as a hedge, basically against the market, against their falling positions. I don't know why that's working, but it's great. It's almost like one of the VIX ETFs, or the ETFs that when the market goes down, this goes up and vice versa. It's very similar. But I think GameStop is going to absolutely destroy it tomorrow and within the next couple of days if we can continue this bullish trend. But just be very careful. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. But guys, always trade with a stop loss. Be very careful. Never invest more than you are able to lose. So if you guys like today's video, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. And I will see you guys in the next one.